Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of rosemary. Rosemary is a wonderful herb known for its fragrant leaves and culinary uses. To start, ensure your rosemary plant receives ample sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours each day. It loves bright, direct light. Also, the right soil is key. It needs to drain very well to keep the roots healthy. If you're planting in a container, always pick one with good drainage holes to avoid waterlogging. Watering rosemary correctly is vital for its health. You should water your plant deeply, but only when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry to the touch. It's much better to underwater slightly than to overwater, as soggy soil is a common cause of root rot. Rosemary prefers drier conditions, so let the soil dry out between waterings. Good air circulation also helps prevent fungal issues, especially for indoor plants. Pruning is essential for maintaining a healthy and productive rosemary plant. Regular trimming encourages new growth and helps the plant maintain a desirable shape. When harvesting, simply snip off sprigs as needed, making your cut just above a leaf node. This promotes branching. Remember not to remove more than 1/3 of the plant's total size at any single time to avoid stressing it. Enjoy your fresh rosemary. Even with the best care, you might encounter a few issues. If you notice your rosemary's leaves turning yellow, it's often a sign of too much water or inadequate drainage. Adjust your watering schedule and check your pot's drainage. For common pests like spider mites, a gentle insecticidal soap can be very effective. Just spray the affected areas. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.